This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and today I wanted to talk to you about these Hurd 45mm brass padlocks. I've received two questions recently about this relatively old and unusual padlock, both from people who are having a tough time opening them up. It's probably because there's someone out on eBay right now literally selling these things by the bagful. And they're actually, I won't say tricky picks, but I can understand why people might have some trouble with them. And it's because of this. The driver pins, while they feel standard, are not standard. I've said this before. When you have a standard driver pin that you feel setting 2, 3, even more times in a row, it's not standard. In all likelihood, it's a tapered driver pin. I have no way to open this up and confirm it, absent chucking this guy up in the mill, which I'm not going to do, but let me demonstrate for you. Now the only way to deal with tapered driver pins, sorry, trying to find my pick, is really heavy tension, and I'm going to show you on this lock right now. 1's loose, 2's loose, 3 is binding. Okay, got a little click out of him. 4, click out of him. 5 is loose, back to 1. 1's binding. 2, 3, click out of 4, little click out of 5, back to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, finally got 5 binding, and we got her open. Okay, I don't know if you noticed that, but I got to click on these pins almost every time I went through. And let's go through a few of these locks because they all open up essentially the same way. Use heavy tension, and this is a 50 thousandths pry bar, and you can see I'm bending this thing when I click out of 1, click out of 2, 3's loose, 4's loose. Come on, 5, move. Click out of 5, back to 1, little click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 4, nothing on 5, back to 1, 2, another click out of 3, click out of 4, got this guy open, and let me go through a few of these. They're fun to pick. Although I'm probably going to get carpal tunnel syndrome. I'm putting so much pressure on this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's unusual. What kind of bidding do we have there? Okay. If you notice, we didn't pick pin number 5. And it looks like 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's strange. It's not a relatively either high or low pin. Must have just been a quirk. Okay, let's keep going. Click out of 1, 2, 3, come on, 4. He doesn't want to move. Oh, there we go. 5, 1, another click out of 2, click out of 3, nothing on 4, click out of 5, nothing on 1, click out of 2, click out of 3, and then 4 opened her up. I don't know, how many of these should I do? Just keep picking them till my hand hurts. 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, another click out of 2, another click out of 3, another click out of 4, another click out of 5. Nothing on 1, 2, another click out of 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, opened her up. Okay, my hand's cramping up. It's easy to open because you know you need a lot of tension, but wow, that's hard on the hands. In any case, that's all I have for you on these Hurd 45mm brass padlocks. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you like these videos and would like to see more like them, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.